I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So finally friends, I did receive my package of the iQOO Z3 device and I'm really excited to unbox this smartphone. As you can see friends, so this is the exact model I did order in the Amazon and finally today it got delivered. And make sure to comment below friends what are the other videos you want me to do on this phone. First, definitely I'll try to test the 4G plus aggregation, green tint issue, Wi-Fi issue. All these issues will be tested first on the day one itself. So make sure to stay tuned by subscribing friends definitely. In case if you're planning to buy this smartphone, so make sure to use my links to buy. That will be definitely helping me a lot in terms of buying new phones in the future. Don't forget to use my links. And you know about me friends, within just few days I'll be uploading plenty of videos on the iQOO Z3 device. Maybe within 5 days I'll try to upload more than close to 100 videos as soon as possible, depending on your request only. Try to check other videos on the other smartphones. And I'm working on the Gcam installation in the Realme X7 Max device. So it is a Realme X7 Max. I'm working on the Gcam installation in this phone and the Gcam in the iQOO 7 as well. I'll try to post all the images in the Instagram. So make sure to follow me in the Instagram, even images from the iQOO Z3 also. From now, I'll be regularly active in the Instagram. And sorry for that friends, if I am not unable to reply to you, don't worry at all because I'm really busy with all the videos. So that is the reason you're not getting my reply for the message in the Instagram. Sorry for that. Definitely I can understand your pain, but definitely I'll try to reply to you as soon as possible because I'm getting every day plenty of messages. So close to 200 to 300 messages I'm trying to get every day, asking me to do plenty of videos, testing different testings. So there's a reason friends you are expecting slightly a little bit kind of late replies from me. I needed to quickly open this kind of complete cover right now. So don't forget to join my Instagram group. As you can see friends, this is a small package which I got, and I need to keep that white cover separate. And this is a complete Amazon package which I got for the iQOO Z3 device. Even I'm really excited friends to open this package, and make sure to comment below what are the videos you want me to do, and definitely make sure to like and subscribe for more interesting videos. I did order my OnePlus Nord as well, Nord SE. Couple of things about this phone which I particularly like, which is the processor which I need to test on this phone. So let's see friends how much the Snapdragon 768 processor which will be really powerful or not. That is what I'm trying to check. That will be my first main focus, and is a first look at the iQOO Z3. As you can see friends, it's really great. And this is a box. Let me try to keep the box side, and this is a complete iQOO Z3 mobile phone. So let's see friends what are the things they will be including inside the box. So let's see what are the contents. Let me try to cut this plastic cover. Let me try to remove this plastic, everything. So make sure to comment below friends what are the videos you want me to do on this phone first, which I am really excited to test on this particular smartphone. So let's see, I'll try to create the separate playlist for this iQOO Z3 users mainly as soon as possible, and you can stay tuned by following me with the playlist. So make sure to check the playlist every day. Every day I'll try to post minimum I think 5 to 10 videos I'll try to post on each smartphone. So here's the box which I got on the top, and the screen guard on this looks completely scratched. I'm not sure what happened to the phone. I'll try to see what happened. And it's a package friends, and it's the case which we got, so which is not that strong enough, but it's kind of okay. And is some kind of SIM card pin, and is the cable which is present inside. As you can see friends, this is a cable which we got. Let me to keep all the things side, and is a final phone which we are seeing right now. This is the iQOO Z3 which I did order the blue color. This is my first time ordering this kind of unique different kind of colors. I just want to experience different kind of colors, so that is the reason. And it is a 55 watt charger as well. I'll try to do the charging test of this using with the, I think the charger which came along with the box is 66 watts. That's shocking. As you can see friends, in this box in the iQOO Z3 which it's written on the Vivo Flash 66 watt flash charge. As you can clearly see, I thought they will be giving me 50 watts, and so that I can test with the another iQOO 7 smartphone in terms of the charging speed, but that's not the case. So definitely I'll try to see what is happening. And it is a complete phone friends, which the initial impressions are really good about this phone. As I said, this is just a basic unboxing video. I just need all your suggestions and feedback. What are the videos you want me to upload on this iQOO Z3 first? It looks really good. As you can see friends, the phone has got the 64 megapixel camera, that is a highlight, and 4400 mAh of battery, 55 watt fast charging, and 120 Hz IPS LCD panel. And I need to check the 4G plus and not 5G but 4G plus support. So this is a quick unboxing video, and thank you for watching this video friends, and make sure to comment below what are the other videos you want me to upload on this phone as soon as possible. So my main focus will be 4G plus and comparison test I'll try to do with the iQOO 7 and other smartphones, how well this little monster is going to handle when compared with the big monster. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and don't forget to check the playlist I'll try to create immediately for the iQOO Z3. Few days I'll try to cover mainly on the performance wise in terms of testing the Snapdragon 768G, how much capable the Snapdragon 768G is in this iQOO Z3 device. That will be my main focus. And next is a 55 watt charging test as well. The phone has the support of 55 watt fast charging, but I did in the box I did get the 66 watt flash charge as well. That's another thing. I'll try to check even the Antutu benchmarks test how much I can achieve in this iQOO Z3 model exactly. I'll try to see even that one. And using the extended RAM and without extended RAM and 120Hz IPS LCD panel, friends. This is IPS LCD panel. I don't think there will be green tint issues happening in the IPS LCD panel, but just I'll try to keep an eye on the green tint as well very soon. That is under my main focus will be there. And next main focus right now, I'll try to focus on the camera. So this is an area where I'm trying to lag behind. So I'll try to mainly focus on the camera as well. I'll try to keep you posted in the Instagram. So make sure to follow my Instagram page for the regular camera samples as well. So it's a 4K 60 fps which is already support, and liquid cooling. So this is another thing, 5-layer liquid cooling system which is present in this phone. I need to test because in my previous phone with the iQOO 7 device, you all know that the phone did end up with the high temperatures while gaming at high performance levels. Let's see whether the iQOO Z3 will be behaving same like the big monster or not. That is what I'm trying to check. And finally, with the touch sampling rate of 180 Hz, which is slightly disappointing. I did expect close to 240 Hz touch sampling rate in this phone. That is not happening, I think so. So let's see. Another thing is Eagle Eye enhancement. I'll try to check even the Eagle Eye, what is Eagle Eye enhancement as well in my next videos. So definitely, friends, stay tuned. I'll be doing in-depth testings on this phone. Only then you decide whether to buy the phone or not. So just give me 3 to 4 days of time, and within this 3 to 4 days of time, I can give you my complete impressions about the phone. So is it worth of buying or not? That will be the real case scenario. I'll try to test in the real life scenario. That is what I'm trying to say. So as I said, all these videos are not sponsored or not at all review units. So these are all the smartphones which I bought with my own money, friends. Definitely I do expect some kind of little bit of like and little kind of subscribe as well, and kindly share my videos. And thank you for watching, and I'll be back uploading back to back all the videos on this phone. So stay tuned for the more updates, friends, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.